Today we're going to walk through the Cemeteries section of UnityWeb. This module was added recently to allow cemeteries and their associated documentation to be stored electronically. This allows the church, districts, and the conference better access to this information. To begin with, let's log into UnityWeb. Scroll down and click on your church. Scroll down and click Cemeteries. Here, you'll see a list of cemeteries associated with a church. Most churches will only have one cemetery, if not zero, but the system allows you to add as many as is necessary. Add a new cemetery, click the Add New button. Pick a descriptive name for your cemetery. Then, fill in the fields as needed. It'll ask you for a current status of the cemetery. Everything from currently active, accepting new plot purchase and burials, down to close to burials, no maintenance. Continue to answer the questions. Make sure that you set the appropriate date here indicating when this information is accurate enough. For association, management company, and point of contact, if you indicate you have that information, it'll ask you to fill in the detail. Once you've finished filling out this report, go ahead and hit Submit. It'll bring you to the cemetery profile page where it has the details that you can update if necessary, along with the last status report, which is what you just filled out. Periodically, you can use this button here to submit any new status reports as circumstances with your cemetery change. You can also click on this button to view any status reports. At the bottom is an attachments field. This allows you to attach any documentation you have for the cemetery that you wish to store electronically for better, easier access. You click Add Attachment, choose your file. You can put in a description of the file and upload it. When we go back to the list of cemeteries, you'll see that now it pops in the list here and it shows as an active cemetery as opposed to a closed one. The same process is repeated for district-owned and conference-owned cemeteries in the appropriate sections of UnityWeb. For districts, you would go to the district page and click on cemeteries, and it would work in exactly the same fashion. If you have any questions on this feature, please reach out to your district office. Thanks so much for your time, and have a wonderful day.